Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see the expected NEET 2021 cutoff for government quota in Andhra Pradesh government medical colleges. You can find last year cutoff for Andhra Pradesh medical colleges as well as other state medical colleges in MBBS Council Android app. You can find link in the description below. If you are looking for MBBS admission counseling guidance, you can contact the helpline number 044 4631 3330. Let's start with last year Andhra Pradesh Government Medical College cutoff. Open category cutoff last year was 561. During 2019, open category cutoff was 541. We are anticipating this year cutoff to be around 540 for NEET 2021 Andhra Pradesh State Counseling for Government Colleges. You can see the last year NEET cutoff for other reservation categories as well. We are anticipating cutoff to reduce by 20 marks for all other reservation categories in Andhra Pradesh State Quota MBBS Counseling. It is better to predict colleges based on your category rank for Andhra State Quota compared to your NEET score. If you belong to BCB reservation category, then if your BC category rank is less than 440, then you have good chance to get Andhra State Government Medical College. For open category, you can use Andhra Pradesh State rank for prediction. If you want to know cutoff for A category seats in Andhra Pradesh or Telangana private medical colleges for your reservation category, comment below. After NEET results are announced, NTR University of Health Sciences, the counseling authority for Andhra Pradesh medical admission, will release state merit list. It contains your roll number, all India rank and state rank. You can calculate your category rank based on this merit list and predict your chance with greater accuracy. You can see all India rank cutoff, state rank cutoff, community rank cutoff for all Andhra Pradesh medical colleges in MBBS Council app. If you have not installed MBBS Council Android app, you can find the link in the description below. This brings us to the end of this video. If you want to know whether you have chance to get MBBS for your NEET score, comment below. See you in the next video.